intern here is a really great experience. You get to have hands-on experience with a lot of knowledgeable and intelligent people who know a lot about tax, and they're definitely willing to see you grow and help you learn, not just give you an answer and move on from it. This is my third tax season in the tax department interning. Interning specifically in the tax department has been a really good professional experience. It's hard to get your hands on and get an experience before applying for a full-time job, and I think that Nisivoccia does a really great job at preparing you for how to deal with tax returns and looking at those forms and all the different things that come with that.
I started at Nisivoccia 5.5 years ago as an intern, and I am now a supervisor in the public entity and government department. So starting as an intern, I felt that everybody was just so helpful, and they were just investing their time in me to helping me learn and understand just so that I could grow here. And as I've worked through my way through the ranks, I still feel that way. If you start as an intern, they still want to teach you and help you and for you to build a career here.
The internship program here at Nisivoccia does really prepare you for any sort of growth opportunities. I know that here a lot of the staff accountants were interns, so that is a great thing to know coming into an internship program here, that you do have that opportunity to expand here and not just stay as an intern.
I initially interned over on the PEG department, which is the public entity or government side. I worked there or interned there for about 2 months before I was asked for a job opening on the commercial side. The work was similar, but there was obviously differences. So during my internship, I think I learned the basics of auditing. However, when I got to commercial, it took a month or two to get my grounding, but my internship definitely prepared me for what I do now. As I entered on the PEG side, I went to many clients, I worked with clients, I went out to visits, which prepared me later for having to do it on the commercial side. Everyone's here to help you and no one will leave you to fail.